What happened since the end of 2016, more or less, you look at the number, is that the fiscal deficit started to increase substantially. Also, the losses of the state-owned companies, and definitely the circular debt, as you probably know, in the power sectors, they start to increase substantially. So in a context of low revenue collection, if your deficit is increasing, then the government has to borrow. That will happen. So the government has that capacity, they borrow domestically and also internationally. And this is something that has increased the debt level very much, close to 80% of GDP. No? The other thing that happened is that because the deficit increased, the government was spending more than was collecting from the economy. There was an increase in the domestic demand. So at the end of the day, what happened is that the trade deficit, the balance between import and export, also deteriorate. Because of the deficit was high, the trade balance was deteriorating, and there was this policy maintained for a long time of keeping the exchange rate constant or almost constant. We will see that. Then somebody has to finance it. So the central bank has to provide the funding.